Hello, viewers, young lords, learners, students. I am going to talk about some pairs of words in English. There are some words in English which sound the same or similar, but they have different meanings. Such words are also known as homonyms in English. Homonyms means words that sound similar and have different meaning. Let me talk about some homonyms, some pairs of words in this session. Students, learners will learn that the slight change of a spelling brings a big change in meaning. Therefore, it will alert and guard students against misspelling or wrong spelling of words. Let me begin with compliment and complement. Complement, complement. Complement means to compensate, to make up for. Example, train complements road transport, or road transport complements rail journey. Another example, it is complementary to this thing or that thing. Now let me explain complement. complement. Complement means to pay respect, to pay regard, to pay reverence. Example, please convey my best compliment to your parents. I compliment you being the senior most of my colleague. He complimented me. She complimented her. So, this is the use of compliment, LEMENT, and complement, LIMENT. The second pair is a story and a story. STORY. A story means tale, an imaginary event, an event which does not exist in reality, imaginary event. Example, the stories of Leo and Tolstoy are very realistic. The stories of Rabindranath Tagore are very beautiful. The Postmaster by Rabindranath Tagore is a beautiful story that deals with the life of a postmaster and his relation with Ratan, an orphan girl. So, a story means tale. Now, a story, S-T-O-R-E-Y. A story means floor, the floor of building, the floor of house. Example, he or she lives on the first floor. I am living on the second floor of the apartment. She is living on the third floor of third story of the apartment. A story, not a floor. This is a multi-storied building. There are many multi-storied buildings in New York and Washington. The third pair of word is stationary and stationary. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y. Stationary means a static, that which does not change. That is a stationary. This planet is a stationary. This thing is a stationary. A house is a stationary. Land is a stationary. A flat is a stationary. Now, a stationary, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y. A stationary means a store, a shop that deals in things of writing, things of study materials, books, pencil, copies, etc. A stationery. Example, he deals in a stationery. Do you deal in a stationery? This is a stationery store. So, a stationery and a stationery. The next pair of word is root and root. R-O-O-T, root. Root means that part of a plant or tree that lives under the ground, that goes deep into the earth. That is called root. R-O-O-T, root. Example, this tree has a strong root. This tree has weak root. Now, root is also used as the origin of people, origin of persons. Example, people should not be rootless. They must remain rooted to their soil. So this is used in another context. Now route, R-O-U-T, route means way, road, way for the traffic to go. This is the route to go to the market. This is the route to go to the station. This route leads to the market. That route leads to the railway station. So route and route. Now vacation and vocation. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N. Vacation means a period of holidays, a longer period of holidays. Example, there is a summer vacation in all the universities and colleges in Bihar. Summer vacation is meant for 1 month. Usually it happened in the month of June, but this year, due to the surge of COVID-19, summer vacation is preponed to the month of May, from May 1 to May 31, 2021. So this is vacation. Vacation means holiday. Vocation, V-O-C-A-T-I-O-N, vocation. Vocation means mission. Vocation means calling. Vocation means zeal, passion of doing something or anything. Example, teaching is his vocation. Teaching is my vocation. Teaching is his vocation. He has vocation for dancing. She has vocation for dancing and singing songs. The next P of word is principle and principle. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E, principle means theory, thing that is proven true. Example, Professor Sin teaches principles of economics. Mr. Sharma is a man of principles. A person must be a man of principles. Now, let me explain principal. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Principal means the head of a teaching institution. The authority that runs a college, that runs a school, is called principal. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. For example, Dr. Vijay Rajak is the principal of T.S. College, Hisua, Nevada, under Magadha University. He is principal of KLS College, Nevada, Bihar. To conclude, learners, students must remember such pairs of words, such homonyms, which will increase their vocabulary, which will grow up their vocabulary. On the one hand, on the other hand, it will tell them how to spell the word correctly. If there is difference in the spelling of the word will give another meaning which is not intended. Thanks a lot. Thanks.